Hello viewers, want to try an advanced AI model for free? Today I will show you how to use DeepSeek R1 without paying. So without wasting further time, let's get started. First, what is DeepSeek R1? It is a powerful AI model that works just like ChatGPT but is completely free. You can use it for answering questions, writing emails, generating content, coding, and even translating languages. How to use DeepSeek R1 right now? Open Google Chrome or any browser, go to deepseek.com or the official DeepSeek AI website. Click on try for free and start chatting. Now that you have access, here are some cool things you can do. Ask anything, get AI powered answer instantly. Write faster, generate emails, blog posts and summaries. Code smarter. Debug and get code suggestion. Translate text, convert languages easily. And that is it. Now you know how to use DeepSeek R1 for free. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.